Hi guys, Alvaro here. So why would you consider joining LiveGood or any other good network marketing company out there, but particularly LiveGood? Because in my 25-year experience in the industry, LiveGood is the best option out there by far. And I've seen it all, right? Obviously I haven't seen it all, I'm not God, but I've seen quite a few things. And in all the other businesses, there is always a but. Yes, it's good, but yes, it's good, but yes, great compensation plan, but yes, great leadership, but with LiveGood, I haven't found one. Not one. We are disrupting the industry. We are the fastest growing network marketing company probably in history, and people are joining for a reason. We actually offer real products to real people that find value. Now, these products not only are purchased by distributors, people in the company building the business, but it's also being purchased by people outside the network, which is one of the main things that a network marketing company has to have in place to be completely compliant with, these regulators all around the world. So we've got the perfect products or the perfect product range, very, very affordable, cheapest in the planet, but at the same time, the best quality products in the world. By far, you just need to go and try them. Now, why would you build a network marketing business with LiveGood? Number one, because you can build passive residual income for life. Also, once you're gone, I hope you never die, all right, touch wood, but once you're gone from this planet Earth, you can will this business to your kids. So someone like myself with 2 kids, I want them to be able to enjoy the fruits of my labor long after I'm gone. And this is the perfect business to actually do that. Now, there are 2 ways to build a network marketing company. They are the top earners in the company, in any other network marketing companies. They get great incomes, they help some people, but here's the problem. Most of them haven't really created a duplicable system for their companies. Mostly none of them. So they have to keep working extremely hard every year, every week, every day, for the rest of their life in order to keep their income ticking in and coming in every single month. Now, that's not freedom. The reason you join network marketing is to actually get money and time freedom. Time is more important than money. Okay? You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. Once 10 seconds are gone, they're gone forever. Right? So be very mindful about time. Now, the right way to build a network marketing business is to do it in a way that everything you do is actually duplicable. What does that mean? That when you get people joining your team, they are given a system that they can follow. Step 1, step 2, step 3. And it's not rocket science. You're not going to be asking people to become engineers or doctors where they have to study for 10 years. Just some basics. And in our team, we are fortunate enough that we teach the basics you need to build any online marketing business you want to do, but we apply it to LiveGood. So it is explosive, right? Let me tell you a little secret. All we are teaching people is to build a mailing list so you can build your rapport with people. You can build this like, know, and trust factor with people so they eventually get to join your business. Think about it. If you're promoting any company out there, any opportunity, and you're not getting results, the reason most likely is because why would people join you? Think about it. If a company has 100,000 distributors, members, why would they join you? What makes you so special? And when I say special, I don't mean to say you are the best or anything like that. No, everyone is different. Everyone will be different and will relate differently with different people. So, what's your unique selling proposition to people? Think about it. What do you bring to people? What value do you bring to people? Myself, for example, what do I offer value? What value do I offer to people? Well, I'm 100% with LiveGood. If you join, you're going to work with me one-on-one. So it's not like you're going to join and you're going to be abandoned. Now, if you decide not to contact me, or don't reply to my emails, fair enough, I'm not going to bother you. But if you have 20 questions and you email me 20 times, I'm more than happy to reply 20 times. So I am very much hands-on with people to help them succeed. At the end of the day, I want you to succeed. I've put my best heart on my best interest on heart to make you successful. Now, not only me, but I'm leveraging of the efforts and the expertise of top marketers. My sponsor is the top earner, or the top recruiter at least, in the company. So we've got a system that allows you guys to duplicate exactly what he's doing. Now, it might take you more time than him because he's been doing this for years. He's been in the online space for years. But all we teach is the real stuff, the real deal for you to get results, right? But when you join, all you need to do is send me an email, tell me you join, and I will send you all the stuff that you need to get started, all the landing pages, all the websites, all the pre-written emails that you can change if you like to get started, everything, all the training. We've got free training, how to get leads on social media, how to get paid traffic sources, and we choose the best ones. So you don't have to go out there and try 100 different traffic sources. That will make you waste your time. And most importantly, in this case, money. So we only recommend the best paid traffic sources. We teach you how to do it also for free. So you can choose, right? Cherry pick. But everything we do, it's something that you, as a new member, as a new person in this online world, you can do it. And if you're an expert already, if you're a network marketer with experience, obviously you can do it too. So here's the key. If you have to choose a business to do, choose network marketing. Any other business out there is just, if you're an electrician, if you're self-employed, you rely on the hours that you work to get paid. If you don't get clients, you don't get paid. If you have a job, if you don't go to work one day, you don't get paid that day. But with network marketing, if you do it right, if you build a team, if you create duplication, if you help people to become independent business owners, so they keep duplicating and they keep growing themselves. As they grow independently, you are earning. The company's gonna pay you bonuses and incentives as a thank you bonus to help other people achieve. So this is what you want to do in network marketing. You want to help people become independent and make sure they actually duplicate and doing exactly the same. That's what happens when you create exponential growth. And as Randy Gage said, Randy Gage is probably top network marketer in the history, right? I've seen him 3 or 4 times. I've gone through his seminars back in the day, like 20 years ago. And something he said, if you want to get out of the job situation, you have to create duplication. And most importantly, there is duplication in your team when your monthly check is always bigger than the previous month. If this month's check is smaller than the previous one, it means there is no duplication going on, and then you need to sort something out. You need to go to your upline, to your sponsor, and find a way to do it. Or if you don't have any sponsor, any upline in any other network marketing company, you're gonna have to create your own system. You're gonna have to come up with a duplicable system. So your business exponentially grows. But lucky for you guys, we already have that in my team, right? So if you join us, you'll be in for a treat. All right. So with that said, I'm gonna leave this video short here. And again, remember that if you are in network marketing and you're not in LiveGood, you should definitely take a look. Because if you are with another network marketing company and you're selling overpriced products, and I said that in previous videos, if you're selling overpriced products that you can sell cheaper here, you are not doing a favor to your customers. You're doing them a disfavor, right? In LiveGood, we've got products that we can be proud of promoting. Top quality in the world. Damn dog doesn't shut up. Top quality products and a price that you are not feeling ashamed, right? I can go to my family and say, look, I've got greens, I've got CBD oils, and I don't have to, explain why they are so expensive. I don't have to explain that they are expensive because otherwise I don't get paid a check every month. Guys, honestly guys, trust me. Click the link below this video. Find out more what we do. Send me an email if you have any questions, leave a comment, but for God's sake, do not miss on LiveGood, because you have faith and you have been pretty much brainwashed into believing that your network marketing company is the best. Anyway, remember, network marketing is a solution to have true passive residual income for the rest of your life if you do it correctly. And for me, the most important part, it's willable. I can pass it on to my kids so they don't have to work for anybody else ever again. Oh, and one last thing, once you make the money, something very important, learn how to keep the money. That's something else made for other videos. You have to learn how to keep your money, how to keep it away from, I'm gonna say it because probably they'll censor my video. How to invest it properly, how to keep away, warning here, how to keep away from those crypto scams that you see all over the place. Oh God, every day I'm being contacted by people promoting their crypto scam BS. And it's always the same, it's always the same. You put some money, buy a package, and then you get guaranteed 2% a day, 3% a day. For God's sake, absolutely nonsense. If anybody comes to you with that crypto scam, tell them to back off, all right? It doesn't work. Now, if you want to do crypto properly, there are people out there that have legit ways to do it. I'm actually learning from a guy, but I'm not gonna be working on that. That's some other thing, one of the things I do. I accumulate some crypto, but I do it the right way, where I can control my money. So if someone asks you to put some money into a crypto program and they're gonna promise you some returns, run away because it's a scam. There are Ponzi schemes. Once new investors stop joining the company, they will stop paying the previous members. So I think this way a little bit better. So having said that, be safe out there. Don't fall for the scams. Be serious. If you want to invest, build a business. Don't be lazy. Don't be a lazy bum. Work hard to build your business, because if you build LiveGood now, it's gonna pay you for years to come. Not only you, but your kids. Work your business hard, make the money, and then invest it wisely in things that are gonna create even more money for you and your family. But do it wisely. Don't fall for the scams. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. Take care of them, and any questions, let me know. Love you all, guys. Bye bye.